Welcome to the English module. Today we are going to talk about cognates and false friends. The learning objectives for this video are the participant will be able to understand the three types of cognates in English, understand the concept of false friends, analyze the similarities and differences in cognates and false friends between English Papiamento, Dutch, Spanish, Italian, and German. All right, what are cognates? A bit of a definition. Let's watch the video to know more.
Hi everyone, I am Micaela Torres,
And I am Valeria Sarabia.
and in this video we're going to talk about cognates and false cognates. The cognates are two words from different languages that look the same, sound the same, and mean the same. Here we have some examples: concert, concierto, illusion, ilusión, family, familia, special, especial, problem, problema.
All right, we heard a lot about it.
Hi everyone.
Cognates are words descended from a common ancestor. That is, words are having the same linguistic family or derivation. As heard in the video, the words have from different languages that have similar spellings, pronunciations, and meanings. For example, the word accident in English is very similar to the word accidente in Spanish, and in Papiamento, accident. So the spelling, pronunciation of both words are very similar. And if you would like to continue watching the video, you can click on the link beneath this presentation. Here we'll find some more examples of cognates. So in the four languages, like information, información, informatie, and información. There are three types of cognates. The first one, words are spelled exactly the same. Words that are spelled slightly differently, and words that are spelled differently but sound similar, right? Let's look at the word chocolate. It's a perfect example of a cognate. The English chocolate, chocolati, chocolade, and chocolate. Our focus is still on cognates, paying extra attention to the spelling. As you can see, the difference in spelling between the words on this slide are not that huge. The meaning of the words are the same. Here we have words that are spelled slightly differently. So, for example, the meaning not with im or in as a prefix. So, impossible, impossible. And in Dutch is quite different, onmogelijk. And in Spanish, imposible. All right, we are going to talk about cognates between English, Italian, and Papiamento. I'm going to show you a little bit of this long video. The link is underneath this presentation to give you an idea what this gentleman is talking about. So pay extra attention to similarities between English Papiamento and Italian.
Professor Dave here. Let's go through some cognates.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
When comparing two languages, if they are closely related, as Italian and English are, there will always be some cognates. The word cognate comes from Latin words meaning together and born. So
Here you'll find some more examples of cognates. Well, now you have English, German, and Dutch. We haven't said much about false friends, but English words that are spelled or pronounced the same as words in Papiamento Dutch Spanish, but they do not have the same meaning. because with cognates they could have the same, well, they should have the same meaning, but with false friends they are spelled exactly the same or almost the same, and but the most important thing is they don't have the same meaning. Like you can see here, embarrassed is an embarazada. So embarrassed, you feel ashamed of something, and embarazada in Spanish, you're pregnant. Yes, false cognates or false friends. Here you will see a couple more specifically to papiamento, Dutch, and Spanish, and you see the English translation. Let's pick one of these. So, example, el papiamento éxito, and in Spanish is éxito. It means success, but in English you say exit, and exit means the verb to exit, to leave, or when you leave a place. Well, if you didn't notice that I enjoy cognates and false friends, I'm giving you some more example here. For example, the Dutch word actueel. In English, it means current or relevant. And but in the word in English, actual, if you would really use actueel to actual, is actually eigenlijk, to emphasize important as actually or as an actual idea, emphasis on certain aspects. For more information on false friends, you could watch another video that I have here, and the link is underneath this presentation. Here are false friends, actually differences between English and Spanish. So false cognates for Spanish speakers and the other way around for in Spanish words. So false cognates to English speaker. Have you seen one that's very challenging to you? Let's practice. Click on the link underneath this video for the quiz Cognates False Friends. Good luck!